Etsy digital product. How to sell digital products on Etsy step by step. Hi there, you guys. In this video, I'll talk about how you can start selling digital downloads on Etsy. So yeah, did you know that you can sell digital products on Etsy? People worldwide make thousands of dollars by selling digital products on the popular creator platform. So if you want to learn how to sell digital downloads on Etsy, you're in the right video. Digital downloads are wildly popular, easy to create, and automatically sent to the customer upon purchase. So what you have to do now is to make the product, create your Etsy listing, and then after that, you're pretty much good to go. Let's go ahead and try to look at how to start selling digital products on Etsy. I mean. But first, I'd like to answer the question: why sell digital downloads on Etsy? They are very profitable and passive way of generating income. So what you only have to do is to create the download one time, and you can sell it. You can sell hundreds, if not thousands, of times over of copies. So essentially, you're buying one item, but you can actually sell identical items. So you don't have to worry about product storage, fulfillment, shipping, or returns either. Etsy is an established and trusted online marketplace with a pre-existing audience primed and ready to buy. Now, knowing that, what kind of digital downloads can you sell on Etsy? With digital downloads, there is no limit, you guys. You can literally sell anything. But while many people think of selling printables when thinking about digital downloads, it's not actually, it's not exactly that way. You can also sell so much more. The types of digital products that you can sell on Etsy include custom website themes, fonts, logos, graphics and PNGs, spreadsheet templates, social media templates, ebooks, stock photography, and so much more. So, knowing that you can sell those types of products, which one of those are top selling or best selling? Now, if you try to head on to Etsy and then type in the keyword digital download or digital products, you can then see a lot of products or items from logos to fonts to calendars, art, and more. And yeah, you can also see printable artwork, coloring pages, graphics, worksheets, planners, journals, etc., etc. Well, of course, printables are always popular. We know this. They've been around for eons. Like printable coloring pages, what else? Planner template printables, and printable artwork are really, really profitable Etsy digital downloads. Ideas that you can consider. Now, knowing those things, how much can you exactly make when you're selling products like this on Etsy? It really depends on your niche, product, and pricing. Yes, of course. It's true that digital products sell well on Etsy, but a lot goes into it as well. So when you try to search, online turns up various search results of people making hundreds of thousands per month, right? But the more time you spend in the beginning picking out a profitable niche and product idea, the more the more successful you can actually become. Now, how can you create digital downloads to sell on Etsy? You can do this in a lot of ways. It really depends on what niche you choose and what type of product you want to create. Actually, anyone can create digital products and sell them on Etsy. Even if you're not a designer, you can actually do this. What it takes is just an idea that you want to sell on Etsy. But if you lack the skill to create this idea, create it yourself, you can always use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to hire someone to make it for you. Now, if you like to create the design yourselves, you can try to do it on Canva. So Canva is an online graphic design software that makes it easy for anyone to create incredible designs. From graphics to planner templates, ebooks, and more, Canva has a vast selection of templates to work with. Canva also has a free and paid version. For access to premium graphics and certain types like PNG, you'll need a Canva Pro account. But I've actually tried to use Canva Pro. Canva free and I still can download the PNG version. I'm not sure if this is location based, but yeah. But the idea is here is that you get it right. You have an idea, but the problem is how to execute the idea. What you need to do is to find a platform, or if you really don't have a knack of designing, but still you want to infiltrate this niche on Etsy, what you can do is go to Upwork and Fiverr and then look for talents out there. But yeah, in Canva, it's really a lot easy. So for example, we're gonna create a planner, right? So what you can do is type in planner, and once you've done that, it will give you a drop down of options related to planner. You can then select the first option if you want to, but you can go ahead and explore more. And all you have to do is click a template to import it. And then you can edit every element. So there are already a lot of templates. Even the non-pro accounts can access from a huge array of templates here on Canva. And then you can start editing them immediately. So what you can do is click text to change font, drag words or elements into different places, and edit element colors. It's an easy and free way to create your custom designs to sell on Etsy. And the templates give you a good idea of how to lay out things. You can actually start from scratch. Just take a look at the templates and then maybe take it as an inspiration and put your own elements on your page. Right. Now, what about hiring a designer on Fiverr or Upwork, right? If this is when you really don't have a design bone in your body, when you really don't have this talent to design or be creative at all. Yeah, Canva is great, but it has a learning curve. It's not that steep, but definitely you have to put in more time, or put in time for you to start learning it. So if you don't have the patience to this, you can always go to design on Fiverr, Upwork, and search in digital product, and you can see here people who are willing to design digital products for you, and you can then immediately hire them for as low as $5. I'm not sure if you can hire people for $3 here, but yeah, the idea is that you get it. You outsource talents from different locations and take advantage of their talents, paying them and compensating them with the amount that's just right and based on where they are in their location. So yeah, but yeah, you can also search in a lot of terms here on Fiverr or Upwork, like editable Canva templates and a lot more. And yeah, basically that's it. That's how you can start. Selling digital arts on Etsy, and the rest is obviously, easy. Just set up an Etsy shop, list your product, and that's it. You can create your listings, promote your product, but that deserves a separate video, you guys. So yeah, if you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us big time. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope to see you again on the next one. Peace out.